Dude, he had 2 zeros, so this guy had all the pressure on himself. That's pretty cool. That's kind of cool storyline.
Yeah, yeah. So BigNasty, love the name, Daniel Bolton, um, winning the Kentucky regional qualifier with a 19 lap total. And just as Charlie was mentioning, he had 2 goose eggs on the leaderboard.
He did a fast 6 lap run, and then third run was another goose egg. So to come back strong with a fast 6 and a fast 7 is keeping the pressure on.
All right, well, let's check out BigNasty and let's see what he's all about here.
BigNasty with a view of the sky, and here's the preload. If you're fast, you preload. That seems to be the general mentality.
Not as angled as we saw from K Mead and Johnny Fly.
Well,
He
again,
flew backwards through that gate.
this was his final run of the day.
Did you see that finish gate? It has a barrier at the bottom, just to make it a little bit harder.
I'm not gonna lie, he's going so fast that I can't really tell what's going on, but
Nice pass there. Yeah, he's going over, and there's some like trees in the way too. This track looks really a lot harder. Look at that.
oh, I see what you're
It's
saying.
slightly elevated, so I
right.
mean, that's enough to throw you off.
It's got a base,
It's
but
probably
maybe
hotter than hell out here too.
well, Kentucky summertime. Yeah, I bet it's not. It's not pleasant.
Okay, watch this tree limb too, just sticking out there.
It's trying to reach out and touch someone.
I
And
bet
it
he-
adds a little bit of drama to the backdrop there, where you're not able to see through the gates because there's all this nonsense with trees and whatnot.
Yeah, I mean, I prefer to have. I think a backdrop really helps actually with visibility,
Yeah.
especially with these white gates. Yeah, against the green
Whoa, that was some almost midair contact. I think I could read the serial numbers on his motors.
trees. He's got the slalom section really dialed up. Let's see how he nails this.
The whole set. I mean, it's a good solid lap all the way across. I bet you not for those goose eggs, he could have got some more 7-lap runs.
Definitely, definitely.
And the dots are a little misleading through the final stretch there. They lean in, but then you go straight.
He's flying through stuff backwards. I don't know how he's doing it, but he's pulling it off. That was a very aggressive line. He's probably thinking, okay, I'm going for 7 laps here. Let's do this.
The blind turning gets me. I'm not able to do blind turns like these guys do myself, but it's the key to the hot lap for sure. And then, like you were saying before, spotters help with that. We used to, when we started in the beginning, we'd always tell each other how far we were away from stuff to kind of
Right.
measure in how tight you needed to be.
Looks like an efficient build. He's only creeping down. Oh, there we go. Just saw the 19. The 19 pop up. No. I think he's through, and that's 7 laps landing
That's
with
it.
21 volts, man. That's a good build. I'd like to find out what he's got on
BigNasty,
there.
send us your build list, bro. We got to get down on it.